So, you want to install pool fence for your home? Pool fencing keep the swimming pool area a fun-filled zone that is free from accidents or injuries. These are very beneficial especially for pool owners who have kids and pets. Pool fences will certainly let your pool have its own corner and would leave hesitant impressions on the others. For a pool to experience the best of fun and enjoyment, fences are required. The law states that every swimming pool should be built with fences around it. The size of your own pool can also be determined through the use of the fences. Experienced pool fencing installation companies will assess the condition of soil before giving a quotation. Charleston Fence Works provides pool fence installation and repair for both residential and commercial property. We are a team of licensed professionals that are dedicated to giving world-class service to each of our clients. Contact Charleston Fence Works at 843-595-8276 for a free no-obligation quote today.